Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another Angry Birds character. This time it's gonna be Bombird. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I'll show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're gonna start out by drawing the eyebrows, and it's gonna be slightly different on each side. So this is gonna be one of them. We'll just slant it down, and then come across to this side. This one we're gonna go up slightly and then come back down. So we're giving him a bit of an expression. Okay, and then from those two lines, this one's easy. We just go straight up and we'll turn that into a bar. Okay, so same thing here. Go up and then we'll just follow that curve. And we can make the ends here a little bit wider if you want. Okay, so those are the eyebrows, and then from there we're gonna draw in the eye socket area. So from the corner here, you can make a little mark on this side, give a little bit of space here, and then we'll just draw almost like a half circle right underneath the eyebrow. So same thing here, here's the corner of this, and make a little mark here, and then we just come across. All right. And then now we can draw in the eyeball itself. So this one's easy. We just draw a circle in here. And we can finish it off. Okay, so we'll come down and draw the beak. So the beak is pretty easy. Right in the middle here, draw one little curve like this first. And then on the corners, on the side, just come back down. Just kind of curve it inward. So you have this little curve going out this way. Okay, and then from the corner, just curve in and then round it off this way. And then for the lower beak, this one you can draw a bracket like this first because it's coming down a lot more, and then just round it off. Okay, so now let's draw in the shape of the head and the body. So start in the middle here first. I'm just gonna add a couple of these little strands. And then from the corner here, just gonna round it out. So this is gonna be the top of his head. Just round it all the way around. Nice and wide over the eyes. And you can stop right around here first. Okay, and let's finish up the little fuse on the top. So this one's easy, we just follow this. Okay, we just come up, and then again to show a little fur, just kind of draw these little zigzags all the way around. Okay, and then one more, and this one's gonna be yellow. So you can draw two lines like this first, and then we'll just zigzag all the way around. And just close everything off. Alright, so now let's finish up the body. So now on this part here, it's gonna come down a little bit straighter. So this is gonna be all the way down to its waist. Okay, and we'll just round it off. It's gonna give the full body shape. And then for here, for the little patch, again, start in the center here. You can draw like a little V shape. And I'm gonna just create some of these zigzags again. And once you have that on the corner, just go out, just curve it, and go all the way down. So this one's easy, we'll just follow the curve on the outside. Okay, so this is gonna be his tummy. Alright, and before we draw in the arms, we're gonna draw in the legs first. So right here, I'm gonna come out. So that's gonna be one. And then again, connect them, these zigzags. Okay, so come across here. 1, 2, and then doesn't have to be exactly like this as long as you have these zigzags. Alright, and then the leg's gonna be right underneath. So we're gonna start out here, come down and then draw a circle. So that's gonna be one of the toes. Come across here, curve up behind this, and then one more, maybe like a slightly smaller one. So just come out and just curve it right behind that. And then to finish off the leg, just add one line. Okay, so same thing here. Start on the inside here, come down, let's draw like a big circle, come across, and then we're gonna curve this up right behind this, and then one more, come out, and then again to finish up the legs. Alright, nice and easy. And now for the arms, it's really easy as well. Start right around here. I'm gonna come down, and this is gonna be the thumb. Okay, and then now start up here, right around the beak. Curve all the way down past this point here. And then this is gonna be his fingertip. Just curve this, and then go back and tuck it behind the thumb. And then for the other fingers here, I'll just add in a little bump there. Okay, so same thing here. Come across, just come down to the thumb first. Starting here, curve all the way down. Use the other side for reference, and then go back up. Connect to the thumb, and then again the fingers on the back. Just one little bump. And that is it for this bomb bird. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please check out my other videos, and I will see you next time.